Guys, I have a secret to tell you. Sorry about this, but I'm sick. Yesterday night, I vomited of my food, and earlier morning, I vomited again, and earlier again, I vomited. I vomited 2 times this day. I meant 3 times because 4 times because earlier I vomited 4 times, and later I vomited another 1 time, and then I thought I was going to the hospital, and I thought, but I'm not sick anymore. Only my tummy hurts, but make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you don't hit that, this will happen to you.